Have you been seeing those viral baby dancing videos everywhere and wondering how they're made? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them using AI step by step. If you're a creator, parent, or AI beginner, stay till the end because this can change your content game. Don't forget to like, follow, and save this video so you don't miss any step.
First thing first, you have to generate your prompt. All right, so I went to TikTok and I got this baby dancing. I have to upload it in my ChatGPT and I extracted the prompt. That is how I got this result. Okay, this is how I got my own toddler dancing image. So I extracted the image and I got this prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt here. If you need the prompt, kindly drop I need the prompt in the comment section. So after that, I selected ChatGPT to generate the image. So this is the result. This is the image. This is so cute. This is the image it generated for me. Actually, the image I got, I changed some things. All right. So this is the image I got. When you go to TikTok, type dancing baby, just like you're seeing mine display here. Just type dancing baby video. So when you choose dancing baby video, you're going to choose the one that you want. Okay. You see a lot of them here. You see a lot of them. Click here, then you go to copy. You copy the link. So go to your browser and type TikTok video downloader. Just type TikTok video downloader. Type TikTok video downloader. So you're gonna see this. Now this is where you're going to paste. You're going to paste your link here. So when you paste it, you're going to click download. So you're going to wait for a few seconds and your video will be downloaded. So it's now displaying without watermark. So you're going to select without watermark. Just click on it. Close this. Alright, go to your browser and type create Wan.video. Alright, so you're going to sign up with your Google account. You must sign up. It's very, very compulsory you sign up. Okay. Now, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, so just cancel this option. You're going to see generate. That's where the option I'm going to select. Okay, you're going to select generate. When you scroll down after clicking on generate, when you scroll down, you're going to see over here, you're going to see image, you're going to see video, image, and avatar. Select avatar, please. So after selecting avatar, you're going to see character and you're going to see audio. Okay, click here, please. When you click at avatar, you're going to see speech to video, character swap, and photo animate. So let's character swap. You're going to swap your character, okay, from the dancing character to the other one. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to select this video first before the character upload. So after selecting this video, you're going to see upload from device. So select upload from device. Okay, so I'm going to upload the video I want, the dancing video that I want my character to display. So I'm going to select this one, just this one. I'm going to select add. All right, so just select add. All right, our video is uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select your character. This is your character, and you go to upload from device and you choose an image of your choice. So this is the image I'm using. I'm going to select it. I'm going to add it. Okay. All right, it is uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select here. So they're asking, please ensure the character has a clear front face. Okay, and blah blah blah. Just select confirm. As you can see, it is generating the video for us. So we're gonna wait. Just wait a few seconds. I advise you that you should turn on your desktop sites. Make sure it's turned on. You can see it's generating. All right, our video is ready. So let me play it. Let's see. See this icon, click on it and download. You select download with watermark. Okay.
And that's how you create viral baby dancing videos using AI. If this video was helpful, kindly like, share to someone this video might help, and comment on the next video you would want me to create. And Happy New Year to my fans. Your support means a lot to me. Let's work smart this year. See you in the next.